Hello viewers, so today I have the English literature project of class 12 of the session 2024-25. Let's get started.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
This is the topic and here are the subtopics. The rest to our conclusion and the bibliography.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and
So this is the main topic, The Cookie Lady by Philip K. Dick.
Cheen tabak dum dum.
This is the biography of the author.
we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
This is the summary of the story.
Miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So this is the conclusion. Finally, this is the conclusion of the story and the review or experience you get after writing the story. In the end, bibliography. These two are the books from which I have taken help and the following websites. So I will upload the PDF of this project you will get in the description. If you like it, don't forget to give a thumbs up on this video